Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the virtual contest for Weekly Contest 388. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Yeah, have nothing to say. I'm not really working on anything particular, so let's get started. Let's also do a countdown here then. Let's do 3, 2, 1. Am I ready? As ready as I'll be. Go, 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 go. Do. Takes time. Loading. No way. It's emulating the real contest by taking a long time to load. Oh no, part 2. What? My strategy's shredded. Alright, let's go. Apple adding the capacity of size M to the N packs with I the M packs with I box has. Why would they use I when alright. What does this mean? Is this just like a summation thing? 6 to 6, 9, 15. But why did they reuse I? That's just confusing. But okay, fine. Unless I'm misunderstanding this one, but it's easy. It should be okay, right? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe my computer's a little slow. I should restart it. Alright. I don't know if Alright. I don't know that I read that one correctly. That was my uncertainty. Alright. Maximize happiness of selected children. Happiness length N and positive integer K. N children in a queue. I've K children from N in K turns. In each turn, alright. What is K up to? K is up to N, and N is 205. I mean, it's still just going to be sorting, right? I don't know that I... Yeah, this is the same problem. I mean, because the invariant is that... Yeah, I mean, K is less than N, okay. Yeah, the invariant is just that you lose K, choose 2 or something like this, right? So something like that. Man, my computer is lagging. 415. Alright, let's go submit. Unless I miss... Oh, did I misread this problem? Oh, maybe it's not greedy. If you could... Is that true? Because you could take the 1, but then you take the 2, and then you subtract 1. Because basically you take the 42, because then now, what is that saying? Okay, so the sum is, wow, maybe I rushed this one. 54, 55, 55 minus 2 instead of minus 3. Why would that minus 3? Did I sort it incorrectly? No, 42. 1 and then 2. So that's 3. But we take the 1, then we 2, 1. It's still 3, right? If we take the 1 first. Did I misunderstand this problem? I know that I cannot be negative. Oh, I am dumb. Why did I do this? I did it in my head, right? But I forgot to write it. Oh man. Come on, Larry. Lucky it's not for the real one. Brain fart. Alright, shortest uncommon substring in an array. Find an answer. I'm so tilted, not gonna lie. Answer and such that. Alright, read it slowly, Larry. You have an array of size n of non-empty strings. Okay, your string answer size n that answer sub I is the shortest substring of array sub I that does not occur substring as any other. Shortest string that does not appear in any other as a substring of any other string. It's a very awkward one. Well, n is 100, so I guess it's less awkward. And 20 characters. That's a really weird problem. Can I do brute force? That means that there's 400 possible strings for each one, or less than that, really. Did I say 400? Then it's 200. 200 times 100. And it'll be fast. Alright, fine. I don't know. If it times out, I just have to actually do some thinking. So far, I've done no thinking for this contest, so maybe that's not so bueno. Shortest substring that does not contain. Okay. I was going to do something longer, but okay, fine. Lexicographically smallest. Okay, fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. Is that right? I think maybe it's +1. Come on. Alright, well, start. Now we want to do something like this. This is very weird looking. Something mistake on Q2 kind of bugs me. Is that right? Probably not. Alright, well, that one's right. But why is A, B, C, D? Alright, do I... Oh, is this +1? No, is it? I think I'm a little bit weird. CCAP. I mean, this works. ABCD. Why not ABCD? Why am I an idiot? Why is this wrong? ABCD, ABC. Why? I need to do a +1 here, but then this won't work, does it? Oh, I guess so. I thought I saw. Why does this do it like 3 times or 4 times? What is going on with my code? Do I know how to code? Yeah, see, that's definitely not right. Length of array is wrong. It's length of array sub I, Larry. Why are you so silly today? Alright. Now is it fast enough? Who knows? Alright, that's a very silly. I don't get that problem. Alright. Let's say I'm doing after 3 prompts. Would have been okay. I mean, I don't know if would have been okay, but definitely would have been better than if I didn't get a 1 wrong answer because I just didn't understand it. But 66 is not that bad given that context, except for it doesn't really factor into 5-minute penalty until everything is over, so still not great. Alright, anyway, let's focus. Alright, max you can nums and length n or positive odd integer k. Alright, the strength of x subarray is defined as what the man. Alright, sum of 1. What is the sum? You kind of missed some. Went over there. Okay, fine. Wait, why don't you start with this thing first? Maybe. Summarize the sum of the elements in I subarray. What does that even mean? What is a subarray? Alright, well, looks like this is going to be a reading problem. Alright, the strength of x subarrays is defined as this function alternating, right? Alternating for some reason. Where sum summarizes the sum of the elements in the I subarray. What's the I subarray? Formally the strength of sum of. Alright, fine, but what does that even? What does the I subarray mean? What is a subarray? Alright. Oh, okay. You need to select k. Okay, you get to choose this joint subarray such that the strength is maximum. Alright, let's see. N is 10 to the 4th. What is that? 10,000. And k is odd. And we have to choose k different subarrays. K is odd indeed. Alright, so it's not going to be DP, maybe. Actually, I lied. I missed this line. So it could be DP. Is it not just DP? I don't get it. Am I misunderstanding this? N times k, and we now the states are n and k, and then you do. How do you do? You do, okay, well, if it's going to be n times k times n or something, that's probably too slow, I guess. What is this again? X, what is x? Why not k? Why x and then k? This is so weird. Like this could have just been k, right? So the sum of the first one minus the okay. Wait a minute. I mean, okay, so maybe it's not DP. Is it not? N times K is very attractive. Wait, what am I talking about? Am I talking about? No, Larry, you could do N times K DP. You just take no take, right? What is the formula? So sum. Yeah, why not? Larry, you silly goose. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe you're still just wrong. Who knows? Okay, so index K, right? Okay, so best is equal to negative infinity. I mean, it might still time out just because Leetcode hates Python, but we'll give it a shot, and then I'll ask ChatGPT to convert to C++. But yeah, okay. So then, if K is positive, oh, they give the formula. If K is, I don't know why they use X. It's very weird. But so the first one is going to be K, and if K is odd, it is positive, and if K is negative, even is negative. All right. So if K is odd, then we take, or no, we have to take at least one element. I think that's the thing. Oh, the selected subarrays do not need to cover the entire array. Huh. I mean, I think it's still DP, but it's a little bit awkward for sure. I think maybe I have to add a dimension anyway. But oh, I mean, I was going to anyway. But okay, so then now what does this mean? Or maybe started is a better word. I don't think this is that bad conceptually. Okay, if it's odd, then what? Then we want to say, or maybe we just do something like the new cost would be go index plus 1. We keep the K. All right, let's just add notes. Keep. If it started, it doesn't matter, so we just call it true anyway. It's this plus num sub index times K, right? So whether we start it doesn't matter or not. So this is keep, and then this is skip, right? Skip is we don't want this number for anything, and we can. So then now, I'm just gonna write it the notation I want, but I shouldn't prematurely optimize. All right. If index is equal to n, then we're done. Maybe. If k is equal to 0, yeah, then I think we're done. Otherwise, we still have k left, then it's infinity. Or negative infinity. It's very easy to mess this up because we want to use no, we don't want to use negative in the past. It's fine. Okay, so we skip. If it is started, then we do this thing, right? Oh, if it started, then we subtract 1 from here. Else, if we haven't started yet, we just keep going, right? Because if we started, then we have to finish. Okay, I mean, I think I'm happy with that. Otherwise, let's say this is even, then we keep this, right, and then we minus times k, and this k is fine because this is already decremented. But yeah, it's very awkward for sure. Right. Otherwise, we skip. If it started, then we, I guess pretty much the same thing. We skip anyway, right? I could write this cleaner, but it's fine. I don't care. I guess we could have written the skip in both ways here. So maybe I will make that change. And then we return bus. And we return go 0k force. Right? Maybe that's right. I don't know. One time error. One time error. What the? Oh, negative infinity. How do I get negative infinity? Or how do I even get infinity? Infinity stones. I mean, it's not from here, so from here, index 0 to n. Do I not go to any of these? Yeah, I mean, we go to some of these for sure. But k is never 0. K minus 1 force, so we skip. Did I mess this up? Oh, there's a different keep, isn't there? There's a keep for this one, and then there's a keep for the next one. Because now, okay, yeah, I messed up a little bit on my thing. Okay, so this is keep going on the streak. This is skip going on the streak, but not doing it. But I have to do one more. So basically, if it already started, then we also either, or we skip to the next one, or we start a new one. I guess that's the, well, maybe I could put it here, I guess. So I think technically I want to do flip side, but that's a little bit yucky. And then also here. But k has to be greater than 0. This is very awkward. I don't, now that it's a little bit more complex, I'm feeling a little bit yucky about it. And yeah, getting not the right answer also makes me feel a little bit yucky about it too. But one, no, it has to be greater than 1. Do you though? So this means that this is 1, right? That's awkward. 22, 72, -1 is probably wrong. 22 is right though, but I think the idea is right, but I'm not executing this quite right. Start a new one. Current index. But there's one left. This is one. Right? If k is greater than 1, then we do it. Alright, where do I get 72? And why did I get 0 on the last one, right? Alright. Two, one, true. Is that how I start this? Nope. I start this with 0, 1. Zero, 1 forces 0. Why? Oh, I have to return my base case is off. There's a lot of things that are off. It's not that hard in concept, but is this right? If this has 2, then what? If this is 1, then if k is k 1 force, then with 0 left. 0 is fine, to be honest. That means it started, we can finish this, and then if it's 0, then we're done anyway, right? Alright, maybe that's a little bit better, but 0, 1 force. It just goes through all 3 loops and then goes here, returns 0. That's not good. We have to get at least 1. Right? This just has to be 0, maybe. Maybe I was wrong about it being 1. Alright. -1 here though, so that's good. That addresses that. But wrong on the other ones. How far along am I? I feel like it's not that bad. People gotten it. Yeah, I'm not surprised that people have gotten it. I'm just like missing one piece. So it started, we can finish it, and then we end it. Otherwise, we don't. If it's not started, then we don't do this. That's tricky. Basically, this ends it, but here, if there's 1 left, we start, and then you get it with 1, right? Oh, I see. You can't do this unless it's started. Because then you're just skipping a number. This is a tough state to deparse for me. Okay, when there's 0 left, then we're good, right? Okay, fine. Let's start over. Alright, let's start over. I think maybe I handled it a little bit weird. Okay, so if we started, then we can only end. Then we have cases, right? So if we already started, then we could keep. So then now we have, well, we have this thing. If it's odd, then we copy and paste this code. Else, okay, paste this code. Okay, so this is us keeping on the streak. Or we could start a new streak or subsection, right? So then now if k, right? And this needs this to be and k minus 1 is greater than 1 equal to, right? I'm writing this in a really weird way for sure. And okay, so that's if it started, then we can start a new streak, or we can skip and end the streak. So then that's just do we keep the k? No, we lose the k, right? Because it already started. And then we start a new one force and we skip. Okay. Otherwise, if this we have free reign, if we have free reign, what are we doing? Then we can start a streak. And this is if k mod 2 is equal to 1, then I think it's just this thing really. Otherwise, then we skip. This is skip is also the same, but we don't. Is this right? It feels the same as what I already did, but all right, let's at least run it real quick. How did I get infinity? Because I'm not reaching the k is equal to 0 state. And we only reach the k is equal to 0 state if we're here. Why? No, we do reach the state. So why are we? Alright, let's. This is a hard one for sure. I thought it was easy. Oh, I thought it was straightforward, but I'm kind of underestimating it right now. I feel like I'm on the right track. Am I going the right track at all? I feel like I should be okay. No, I feel like I'm right. Ideally, in theory, I'm not coding it right. 4, 3, 4, 2. Okay, all these are true. That's fine. So 4, 1 started is going to be 0. Four, 1, what does this mean? That is just this, one number left. It already started. K is positive, right? So this should return a 2. Why is that not returning a 2? Maybe the other one is actually easier to debug. Alright, but let's just do this for a sec. Well, that's not really ideal. 0, 1 force. 0, 1 force. 0, 1, 4. So okay, so then else start a new streak. This goes to 1, 1, true. I don't differentiate enough about whether it is complete. I guess here we need to also go, okay, maybe I just need my base case to take care of it. Alright, so if it started, then if k is equal to 1, that means that we could end, so then we can return 0. Alright, otherwise that means that we haven't started a thing, so we can end it, so that means we have to be, alright, maybe that's right, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, yay, I got the really basic case right. 2264 -1, is that right? That is right. Is that all? I didn't handle the base case correctly. Yeah, I guess that happens. Alright, YOLO. Python, don't mess with me now on Leetcode. Okay, let me open up ChatGPT. Chat. Yeah, okay, fine. You want me to rewrite it in? You want me to ask OpenAI to rewrite it in C++? Fine. I know that there's that thing with convert to C++, please. I always say please to my ChatGPT because, you know, one day it will take everything away from me or something, right? Isn't that? Alright, but I think this is right other than a memory limited situation, so I feel like that's fine. How do I copy this code? Alright, we don't need this. What they gave me a main? How gentle. Oh no, compiler error. I feel like, is there an update in a bad way? Oh, that's fine, infinity value. Does it have to be a long? I guess so. Doesn't matter. I don't actually know the order of things with shifting. Oh, I guess infinity does not have to. I use it as negative infinity, and this is such a mess. I hate you, Leetcode Python things. Return negative infinity. Is this not? What am I doing? Is this not long? Return type long norm must return. Oh, wait, what? I feel like ChatGPT used to be better about this. Luckily, I know barely enough. What the? This is not the right answer. ChatGPT, what did you do? Key is equal to index k. No, don't do that. What are you doing? ChatGPT, what are you doing? Can you use a tuple for key? Thank you, ChatGPT. I hate everything you. What is this hashing thing? I cannot get a poem right today. Alright, there you go. Thanks. I have to fix this again though. Oop. Almost typoed in. What the? Alright, let's go. What are you doing? Impersonate for what the? Well, just maybe this is just one of those days I'm not solving this problem. Can you? Is there? Am I doing this ridiculously wrong or just randomly wrong? Call to the implicitly unordered tuple memo. Do I? Oh, no, that should be. I actually don't know how tuples work. I hate you. I think there's like an array or something, right? I think someone was showing me this. I don't know. Does that make sense? Does that do anything? Am I making stuff up? I might be. Well, I mean, ChatGPT. And one more question: Can you use array to hash instead? This is what my life has gone to. I've become a ChatGPT engineer. All right. Well. What is going on? If only I spent this much time just rewriting it manually, I would have been done. What the? What does that mean? That's how I would write it. Oh, yeah, Boolean with an int is probably fine too, but why? Tell me why. Am I doing this weird? I mean, yes, probably. Alright, I guess this is time for Google. Or or ChatGPT. What does this error message mean? I get so. Array doesn't have a default. Alright, how do I do this? To resolve this, just add this? Are you serious? I guess today I learned. What? Today I learned I hate ChatGPT. It lied to me. Oh my god. I mean, alright. This is the beauty of virtual contests, is that, like, you know, I guess I would be so ragey right now if it wasn't a virtual contest. What the? Why would you lie to me, ChatGPT? That didn't work. And I apologize. That custom hash function and then do it. Okay, fine. Did not do it. They gave me the same code. All right, let me see. But maybe I'm wrong. All right, let's just copy and paste this again for the 4th time. I should have just went back to Python and just do it. Took me so long to get it. Define. Oh, okay. This is. What? Okay, fine. Maybe that works. Okay, well, let's. Oh yeah, I have to change this thing. Alright, fine. I mean, I guess it couldn't have predicted that. Alright, fine. I failed in this. What? How? Why is that? Why? What? Am I forgetting how C++ work? I feel like I've done C++ in my life. Alright, I'm gonna ask Google instead of ChatGPT. That keeps on giving me. I mean, I think I know how. I mean, I understand the reasoning. I just don't know how to fix it. Define. Oh, I need to define hash. Oh, because I'm because I'm using unordered map. I usually use regular map. So I think that's how I got confused. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I made that up. Maybe it'll just give me another error message. Huh. Did it change other parts of my code? I've seen... Because I feel like I've seen it before where it changes other part of my code. And then I'm just like, why doesn't this work? Because why doesn't this work? Why doesn't it even work with this one? What? Did it change my code? Like, I feel like this is so basic that it couldn't have changed my code, right? Man, I spend more time debugging the ChatGPT than my code. No, that's probably not true, but alright. Let's just run this real quick. This is in Python. I'm back to Python. Python code works. How did I do that DP cache queer thing that someone keeps telling me about. Leetcode, Python, cache, queer. This is so stupid. Nope. I hate everything about this. What am I doing? Something like what's it called? Func tools, cache, clear. All right, I think that's what I want. I just write something like self.go.clear. I don't know. This doesn't make sense. Dot cache. Because this should not be a thing I need to do. But here I am. This is the stupidest way to go. How do I clear functool cache in Python? Okay, so I could do something like go.clear. Maybe. Man, oh, that cache clear. All right, well. All right, I guess it works. Let's see if it fixes my memory issue. Leetcode, I hate you. What? What can I do? How much time do I have left? Still 42. I'm so thankful that this is not a thing, but alright, let's go back to C++ then. I don't know how to do any I don't know how to do anything. I think that's what we're landing on. Well, this is already like there are some like really, now that I know, maybe that's why. Hopefully that's why. Yeah. Alright, best max go is long, then nums. What is it complaining about? No matching function. No, what are you talking about? What you talking about? 33, am I writing line 33 wrong? This line. This is long, this is long, maybe with overflow. Huh. What? Concentrated. Long versus int. Yeah, that's usually the thing, but Isn't it how you? That's how you call a function with a return. Int. Oh no. Oh, I see. Whoops. No, that's not how you do it. That's why I changed the thingy, but I didn't change the other one. Man, ChatGPT, you disappoint me. Alright, that looks good. Let's give it some mid. I guess that's right. Sign and The algo is not. I mean, it's not. The algo is not easy, but boy, is the silliness very hard. Now we represent type int. It is int. Maybe that's why memory collapsed. I don't get this one actually. Now that I think about it, like, why wouldn't it overflow? Why is this an int? Am I misunderstanding this part? Well, I mean, I'm getting it right for the other ones. So, like, what? What does my Python say? My Python thinks the answer is -4 billion, which is true that that's not an int. Oh. Is that supposed to be? Or the ChatGPT screwed me again. Change the function definition. What? Oh my ChatGPT. Oh, jeez. Okay, I mean, I still need to fix some other stuff. There is something that I clearly am missing, but ChatGPT. Okay. What else am I missing? Int. I mean, I guess this could be long, but what? Okay. I'm still seeing some randomness. I mean, so much type things. I guess I'm just going to be lazy at some point. Just convert everything to long. Index doesn't make sense. Num sub. I guess this could overflow. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Fool me once, shame on ChatGPT. Fool me 25 times in one problem, maybe shame on me. Alright. I mean, this. Oh, huh. Dun. I mean, this is n times k, so. Oh no, do we not cache? No, we cache. Why does this time limit then? Is this like the updated one? I don't know. Okay, let's. It's too much conversion. I mean, there are a lot of possibilities for optimization. I can't believe I have to keep making it. Oh, I forgot. This is C++. Yeah. Does this work? It's too lazy. Oh, K is 29, so shouldn't time out. Why do we time out? We don't do that much. Do we? We don't have any cycles, do we? No, everything is index plus 1. I mean, I guess I could rewrite this as bottoms up. Maybe I should have done it that way, actually, now that I think about it. But and then we could do the space optimization. But why? Why do you make me do this, Leetcode? Leetcode is so silly. 29, 1,000. 1,000 times 29 should be fast enough. What's so special about this case that this case is fast enough on? That's actually awkward. I mean, there's some greedy things I can fix, but can ChatGPT convert this to bottoms up? I mean, I could do it, but I'm a little bit lazy. Maybe I should have done it bottoms up. Can you convert this to bottoms up? TP. Yeah, I mean, it does something. I don't know if it's right, but it did something. I mean, it's a little bit awkward because that's not how you define an array. So I don't think that code is even right, but maybe, just maybe. Well, that didn't work. Oh, I see, right. But, oh, that doesn't even make sense because now it's going the wrong direction. No, because we actually do it this way, so it's fine. But, I don't know. Maybe I just need to do it manually. But, can I still do it in C++? Why does this time out, though? Does this time out in Python? Actually, my top down? I mean, no, it's not fast, but it runs. Yeah, because it's linear. No, it's not, but it's n times k, which should be fast. What is so slow about this, other than maybe this thing, which is, okay, fine. But why does this time out? What am I doing so slowly? I mean, maybe I could optimize some stuff, but I'm not sure that that's enough. To be honest. What is the most expensive part of my code? I just do 4 hours. I mean, this doesn't matter. We don't really store anything anyway. This is the only thing we do. How can it time out? Am I wrong with my complexity? Oh yeah, right, whoops. Yeah, I am not a good engineer today. I mean, I got the algorithm right, but I don't know what I'm missing, other than doing it bottoms up, maybe. Is it still time limit exceeded? It gave me the answer this time, but it's still be like, oh, you gave us the answer, but it's still time limit exceeded. But even then, it does a million things, a million lookups. Do I need to optimize this for memorization? Oh, is this function thing? How do I... Someone told me that that's not how you do... Or like that's really slow or something. I forget what it goes. Maybe something like that. Is that right? Alright, as long as that seems right, then it should be fine. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sad about doing it. If I have to, I have to. But like someone told me this, but then like I don't know. Didn't do an it was fast enough, but it's I feel like it's still so slow that you know, still no bueno. I'm gonna YOLO submit. But I mean it's n times k times 2. So I don't know why this time limit exceeds, to be honest. What am I doing that is so slow? I have to do it bottoms up. Okay, this time the time limit exceeded, so I guess I was just off like a minor optimization hopefulness. But someone told me about this recursion thing, so I don't know. Alright, how much time do I have left? Let's see, 28 minutes. What a silly waste of time. Alright, I mean, let's just convert this to volumes up, right? So let's go. How do I get it started? Alright. And nope. This one's k plus 1. Right. And this is just an annoying ball. Alright. And also this. Yeah, let's just do it the dumb way, and then we'll, if it needs to be, then if I need the space optimization, I'll do the space optimization. Maybe. Okay, so let's just pull it. So yeah, okay. So then now the states is dp of n of k of 1 started is true, so 1 is equal to 0, and then the other state is n 0. I guess what is, no, I guess it has to be 0 because it's 0, right? Otherwise everything is negative infinity, and that's what we want. And then now for we go backwards for we go k minus 1. We go k minus 1, we want it from 1 to k. And then for started in 2, right? 0, 1. Alright. Now you have the streak thing. Alright, and then now what is it? dp index plus 1 k1 plus okay, this part is pretty straightforward. I mean, if I get it right, it should be straightforward. Yeah, I know there are ways to write this shorter, right? But I think the way that I just like being exhaustive, and then we can optimize it later. Though, you know, that has not gone well for me yet, but that's besides the point. Because I don't know why Leetcode has such weird constraints. Or I'm doing it a crazy way. I am a crazy man. Who knows? Who knows? I'm so glad that I did not do this one during the contest though. I guess it cancels out the other contest that I missed where I did really well. But so I have a lot of if statements because not all these are mutually exclusive. What am I doing? I'm running on. In fact, if you pay attention to them carefully, like multiple of them can trigger and intentionally set that way. Just the same except with minus. That's right. Which I guess you can also do with my whatchamacallit 4 through cases, but I actually don't know how to do switch statements in Python. I think that's like a very new thing. For me anyway. And then here. Does this pretend to work? I missed a thing. Oh well. Maybe I'm missing some stuff somewhere. No, that's no brand no place to update. Start with zeros. What is this? Oh, this is the first farm. Alright, well, let's start with that's not right. Is that right? Is that my thing? Do I have an off by 1? And 1 1. But then we start with n minus 1. What am I writing? This loop never gets executed because k is 1. Am I just dumb? I am dumb. And today is... Alright, so we get this one correct, yes. Alright. Oh, already not so much. 410, is that right? Does this have to be 0? We have to carry to 0, maybe. Yeah, maybe I have to carry to 0. Yeah, okay. I don't know how to solve this problem anymore. Oh, because I used this, I reused this thing K, but it's a streak. Okay, I see. Okay, how do I fix this? I mean, you know how you fix it, but you don't want to do it that way, so okay, fine. K2, K1, K2, okay, fine. That is sad, but okay. And SS whoever is... Oh yeah, that's K2. Oh yeah. Streak is not defined, you're right. Because I've been very inconsistent. Also, this is K2. It shouldn't take that long, I don't know. Maybe the printing adds time though. And I messed up here, but it's okay. Yeah, okay, let's run it again. Is that the right answer? Feels a little bit off, to be honest. I thought it was something else. But let's run it in my C++ code, which is correct. It's like 803 something, but that doesn't seem right. Yeah, this time's out, but yeah, this is what I would have expected. Because I know this answer is right, but my Python code is wrong. Yeah, I mean, it's almost right, but it's not exactly right, which we prefer. Why is that? It's so right for the other stuff. Oh, okay. So that was the thing, huh? All right, let's give it a submit. Who knows? $16 minutes. Is it going to time out? Oh, huh. Was that not one of the inputs that we get? Did I just like miss that part? Ooh, we fixed the other one, but not this one. Why? Wow, how? what does this mean? I don't even know why I put it. Let's just print the other thing. Why am I wrong on this one? Oh, that's a really bad wrong answer actually, but luckily it doesn't count. Alright. 2, 1 things, -3, no, okay. 2, 1, but we are started at 0. Okay, fine. Why? We grew 0. Okay, so let's print dp of 1 or dp of index. I don't know. I really don't know why this is wrong. I'm like debugging and then fixed it and then had to debug again. Okay, so this is 3, 2, 1. Why is index twice? Oh, it's just, oh no, that's just a second thing. Okay, but what is this other thing? Oh, it's index and then k. Alright, maybe that's a little bit clearer. I don't know anymore. Like, I feel like I have the right answer, but just doing Leetcode things, which is way not good use of time. 0, 1, and then this is, oh, I guess this is started and not started. So not started is 0, and then started is infinity, which is fine because we pass later. Why is this -3? Okay, so then 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. It doesn't even matter actually, because we don't even look at it because it's not a possible state. So 0, 1, 0. Do I have a typo somewhere? I hope so, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. 0, 1, 0 with 1 here. 1 is 1, so then 0, 1, 0 would just be. No, this is wrong. So if it's not started, no, then we could start it. Press this thing. What is this? 0, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 1. What's 1, 1, 1? Is -2. Oh, that, we do want it to start, so 0, 1, 0 should be 1. Plus or 0, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 0 because we skip it. What's 1, 1, 0? 1, 1, 0 is -2 as well. So this is -2. or -2 plus negative, but that's not going to be bigger, so it's going to be this thing. But how do I get it before? Because we want it to end, so we want 110 to be, we need to carry the 0 here, right? So okay, we don't carry the 0 forward enough instead of these negative numbers. Okay, we have 1 1. I have 1 0. What's the other base case? 9 minutes. 45 minutes. I spent 45 minutes because Leetcode is okay, so NK, oh NK, I guess it, I thought it couldn't be possible, but maybe I was wrong. Oh yeah, because it can actually go, yeah, okay, fine. It's just like the way that we set it up. Okay, fine. Is it? Guess I didn't consider all the cases. Oh, I print too much. How is this one? How? I'm so frustrated. Am I typoing something? I mean, the silly thing is I pretty much wrote this like so long ago. I mean, I think this all looks okay. My base case. Alright, let's look at this base case. KN11 is 0 and N0 otherwise it's negative infinity, right? How is that different? I just I'm all gassed a little bit. I mean, okay, so 211 is 0. 211 is 0. Why is 210 negative 3? Alright, let's just do 210 is 310. 310 is no bueno. That's the order matter? Am I doing this in a funky way? Let's just print. I didn't want to do it this way, but I guess it is what it is. I hate everything. I have some like weird edge cases on the. I don't even care about these. I might not finish this in 5 minutes, but okay. See, this is right. So 0 1 0. 0 1 0 should not be negative 2. Okay. 1 1 0 should be negative 2. That's fine. 1 1 1 is 0. That's the one. Why is 1 1 0 there and 2 1? 1 is 0, okay, 2, 1, 1. Why is 1, 1, 1 negative 2? 1, 1, 1. Alright, 1. Alright. 1, 1, 1 is here. So that's looking at 2, 1, 1 plus this, or 2, 0, 0. Do I do? Oh, but I have to do this for some reason. Okay, well. Yeah, okay, fine. Why does it overcount when I fix it for this one? Why is this so no-brainer? Because k is equal to 0. Oh, because oh man. Is that why? That looks like a good reason why. Is that the answer I expect? Leetcode. Oh, I still have the print statement. Well, that's gonna give me output limited. Okay, fine. Let's run it again. Am I right this time? Alright, that looks good. Let's give it a submit. We have 3 minutes left in the contest. It's gonna give me some error and I'm gonna be sad again. Like I'm just I'm fixing some constant things. I'm not even like doing anything to. Okay, well, this is silly. Like 45, or is it 45 minutes? I don't even know. Maybe even more. That type was pretty bad, but 51 minutes because Leetcode, I don't know, has some weird thing with some thing. Yikes. I mean, I don't know. I had this 50 minutes ago or whatever, right? So I don't know. This does not feel good for sure. So what if Leetcode doesn't suck? What would have been? Would have been like 51 minutes ago. What is that? Just add 9 minutes, so 35 plus 1 penalty, so 40 minutes. So if Leetcode doesn't suck, maybe I would have had top 40 or so. But alright. Well, I mean, it's a good thing this is a virtual contest, so I don't have to worry about it too much. But yeah, that's all I have for this video, this contest. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, all these things. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care.